Question from Location Fast 6859. Help with previous balance from unfiled taxes and refunds being applied to that. There we go. First of all, I know I was stupid and I'm trying to put the past right. Don't beat yourself up. For various reasons, I didn't and haven't filed taxes since 2016. I have paid taxes on my salary, just not filed. I'm now going back through and finding the past taxes and have a significant amount owing due to not filing in 2017. This is only for 2017 and not other years. So the only year they owe for is for 2017, and it sounds like the IRS did a substitute for return in SFR for that year because clearly the taxpayer didn't file that year, and yet they still have a balance. Reason that would happen is if the IRS filed a return for them in SFR. I'm in the process of filing for 2017, having started with 2024 and working backwards. Think about what that means. It looks like the refund from 24 is being applied to the balance owed on 2017. The question I have is, once I file the 2017 taxes, will that balance be returned, or as it's older than 3 years at the filing date, for the due date is what I think you mean, is that refund gone? Also, the same will happen with my 23 and 22 refunds, which I guess got applied to 2017 as well. There's no money owed on any years to date, so no other fines I'm aware of. Okay. And then they have a good moral at the end. From not filing, I left a decent amount of money in the tax system. So anyone who hasn't filed, file. Lesson learned for me the hard way. Okay. So you know about the 3-year rule for the refund statute, right? If you're owed a refund for a tax year, you got to file that return within 3 years of the due date or the extended due date if you got an extension, or you lose that refund. Now, there's also a 2-year component to the refund statute, right? Which is you can be refunded for any payments made on that tax year within the previous 2 years of filing the return, right? So, let's say it's September 1st. Let's say you file your 2017 return on September 1st, 2025. All payments that have been applied to are paid on your 2017 tax year between September 1st, 2023 and September 1st, 2025 would be refunded to you. This is assuming, of course, that you're in a refund position for 2017, right? Okay. If you still owe for 2017, right, even after, some payments have been applied to 2017, if you still owe for that year after you file the original return, then yeah, you're not getting anything back, right? You're not in a refund position, right? But if you are in a refund position, you will get an amount equal to the lesser of the amount of refund you're actually owed for 2017, or the amount of payments that have been paid in on your 2017 tax year within the 2 years prior to the date you file your 2017 return. So, and sorry, I think my language with lesser of was confusing. If more was paid, if your payments on that year within the last 2 years were greater than the amount you actually owe for 2017, even after you file it, even including penalties and interest, you get that back. Hope that makes sense. Not sure I phrased that right, but or maybe I phrased it confusingly. But basically, look, you have payments you make between 2 years previous to the date you actually file your 2017 return are potentially refundable to you. Of course, if you actually owe money for 2017, you're not getting a refund anyway, right? If you owe even after applying those payments. So hope that makes sense. It's a case-by-case situation. You'd basically have to kind of obviously file your 2017 tax return first to know exactly how much you're going to owe, especially if there's any penalties and interest tacked onto that. All right, folks, good question. We do help folks in these situations all the time who have multiple years of unfiled tax returns or an SFR, right, for a certain year that the IRS filed for them. And we strategically get these folks back into compliance. Another thing we do is, of course, we negotiate on behalf of folks who owe the IRS or their state at least $10,000 in back taxes. So if either of those situations apply to you, congratulations, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. Just give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, we will reach out to you. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I have some other videos about unfiled returns on the left-hand side of the screen. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.